I'm just coming back home from work and I think it's now 6:43. I think I'm pretty late for just 20 minutes because I stopped by at the grocery store and Daiso to get some like ingredient for tonight dinner and my tomorrow lunch, probably for work and breakfast, but mostly I just eat yogurt and a protein shake or some coffee for my breakfast, so not much. But it's already getting late before my class start and I have to make dinner for myself as well, so and I'll have to wash my hair, so yeah, it's short period of time, but I have to get a lot done before my class start. So yeah, bye, see you when I done shower. It's now 7:10 and I just done my shower and wash my hair because it's hair day, and now I'm going to dry it for a bit and leave it for the rest of not the night but until my class end, and after that I will fix it later. But let's just get started with skincare. So sometimes I'm super lazy that I don't even apply moisturizer before going to sleep. I got something to show. I got my new fan for the summer from Daiso. So it's actually help when I wipe on my skin. My first step is now done. Get on to I actually leaving all my skincare in my room. I need to grab all back here. Wow, skincare is here. Now second step is usually I use Essence for my second step. On the day where I am not super lazy, I use sheet mask, but today feel like I'm running late and I will try to go to bed early from 9:30 or 10 is possible, because I feel alive the next day if I sleep like 9 hours, 10 hours. But if I go to bed at 12 and wake up at 7, or go to bed at 1 and wake up at 7, I feel like dying going to work. So second step is now done. And then the next step is cream. I like to finish it with advanced cream powder. Ooh, next step is done. So usually this is my first step and probably my last step, but since I got maybe around 45 minutes before my class start, so I'm gonna finish up with a lot of maybe I'm gonna add a little bit of moisturizer. So I actually use this Wrinkle Care product from Kose. It's actually the white mobile repair gel cream, probably one of my recommendation, because I use almost all of this and I don't see any result different yet, but I feel like you should try. I mean, I'm trying to, because I feel like this actually give me like how do I say it? It's moist my skin the next day. Like after I wake up I see the difference, but it feel like it's not like seeing much improvement quickly, but I think it's in the long term it will be, I guess. So I usually using my Booster Pro in level 3, finishing up this, and gently do this about maybe less than 3 minutes, and then I'll use another function just to have preventing my skin from wrinkle, cause I'm aging and I don't want to be an old auntie. I generally sometimes if I focus, I do it slowly, but if I not focus I will just rub it, and it's not good for your skin if you use the device and rub your skin, and it will damage your skin barrier, which is not recommended. Leave it up because you don't want to be, oh, I hate this smart line. I think I had it when I get my breast on and it leave like this for a longer time, but actually after removing my breast I did some, I forget I think it's called HIFU, like HIFU for one, and it actually like get better. Like I used to have like such a like deep smile line because I think my I don't know, my dentist mentioned that I have like overbite teeth like this, and then like I have to take one out and then wear rest for about 2.5 years at that time. So I will use this Derma short mode for maybe this white time. I'm not sure how many times, but usually I just do until I feel like, oh, it's more tightened, but it's not recommended. So I like to lift it up like this, so prevent your. I feel like I'm running late. Not running late. It's now 7:22, and I have to prepare my dinner, eat it, and class will start at 8. And I haven't reviewed my class because yesterday I was absent. I was a bit tired from, not over the weekend I rest well, or I said a lot of what here, but again, like I couldn't go to bed until like 3 a.m. and I wake up again at 4:30, which is not really healthy. And then I have to drag myself to work because I don't want to like call in sick day because I don't have much sick day left. Because I got sick early this year due to like winter season. During winter time I got sick really easy, and last January I got influenza. Holy, I don't understand why. Because I skip gym a lot, so my immune system is not nice, it's not good, function well. So yeah, I got sick. By the way, I'm done. I think like I got more tighten here. So yeah, bye. I will have this every day. Cream cheese is so yummy. Guys, if you have never eaten cream cheese before, or have eaten cream cheese, what is your favorite cream cheese? And if you haven't tried cream cheese before, go get it now because it's so yummy with the bread.
どこが一番いいですか？私のうちのサッカー近くにスーパーが3つあります。外国のものが多いです。とても大きい店です。ABC ストアより大きいです。3つの店の中で私は ABC ストアが一番好きです。
I'm going to clean up. So straightening is done. Next I want to do a little bit curling because I don't like my hair like this. And I know probably like 10 seconds, then I release it. Here I think so I usually do it like this, and then after some time I get used to it like, but my Chinese is not good at all. Hey, yeah, my hair is now done for tomorrow. Going to work, maybe when I woke up I will curve a little bit here, but usually this is my hairstyle to work. Okay, now let's clean this area, which is super unclean right now. Hi. Guys, finally, yeah. When? 10:30. Yes. Duolingo is asking me, so I have 2 tasks left before I can sleep. First is putting my investment. Ooh. But now it keeps freezing. I can do it tomorrow morning, but I want to do it today. And my Duolingo. I think I don't have my streak too. My streak left. I'm gonna do my Japanese lesson for a bit. Yeah. Okay. So stop thinking now. Haha. Mother? Correct. So let's do it me. Family, 家族。週末はスポーツをします。So when they say します, it means play. Sport is sport. 週末 on the weekend. On weekend,週末はスポーツをします。I play sport. Yeah.
よく母と映画を見ます。
よく母と映画を見ます。So I often watch movie with my mother. Yay! Something like this I know. 母、父で行きますと終点ラスト。That's what you always heard on the train. 週末 weekend.
週末はいつもスポーツをします。
週末はいつもスポーツをします。When do you play sport on the weekend? On the weekend, I always play sport. 週末をいつも always. I'm done. 父テニス家族 Yay! Oh, perfect. Yay, complete. Oh, 684 day on. Yay. I nudged my friend to play. This is what typically my day went like after my work. Usually it's probably, not usually, it's always been like this. On the weekday, 9 to 5, it's all about work, then get home. Sometimes I got time to do like exercise, running, and then I have to make my own dinner. If on the day I don't have to make dinner, I have to eat the leftover. I have spare time to run. And on the day I don't have to wash my hair because I prefer like shower before my class starts, so I can do much after class and like cleaning today, and also go to bed really early. But it's like now 10:37 night time, which is a little bit like kind of late if I don't go to sleep earlier. Otherwise I will like have a hard time falling asleep. And yeah, apart from that, I have one item left, which is putting my investment in. But right now it like my phone is old and it have to optimize the app in order to like automatically update it until my app is installed, so I can put my investment. My daily investment is for buying a new phone. Apparently I want to be smart with my money. I don't want to use my saving for buying anything I want, such as phone example. I mean, I still using my old iPhone 12 from like 4 or 5 years ago, which is now they released 17, which is okay. But like I always want a new phone because this one have a really small storage. I think I can do much more like editing video on a new phone, but it turned out that maybe I can enjoy using this phone while like instead of using my saving to buy a new phone, I want to use my saving to do something else. So I rather put my investment daily into a particular stock that I think it's gonna be growing, like amount of the money that I can, like example I put I don't want to disclose how much I put in, but I just do consistently about investing. Like I do monthly and daily. Daily is for something I particularly want, like buying a new camera, buying a new phone, or travel. So I mean, for travel I can use benefit point, which is provided by my company, but I used it all last year. I burned it all, so I cannot travel anymore. I'm waiting for the next point to release. And yeah, I'm putting this investment daily just for buying a new phone. So after 200 days, if the stock that I invest go up, I might be considering is taking it out or just dump it there and let it grow and use my saving to buy and the phone when I really want it, and or if it's not moving up or at some point if it's going down, I can just leave it there. I'm not in a hurry unless this phone really broken, because when last year I went home, like I stopped by in Singapore for a few days, but then like it dropped from the second or third floor, I forgot, and then the glass was all broken, including camera, which is but I like replace it. Take a long time, a bit of time for me to replace it because I want to do it manually. But apparently this front also breaking. If you see like this, I'm such a like I can't say. I always drop things. I always cut myself. I'm so clumsy at some point. This is the scar where I cut myself on the other day, and I have the scar somewhere around here because I burned myself while curling my hair. Oh, I'm so messy. Sometimes I think I really need a lot of sleep at some point, because if I don't sleep well, probably I'm not function well. Yeah, but I'm waiting to check what is on my the app is now up and running. So it turned out that I forget to put in yesterday. Yeah, because I slept earlier. I do NISA because it's tax free. When I don't have to pay for tax when I get profit. It's good about NISA. I don't know how long will it be like tax free. I'm not sure. I haven't done much research about it. I think I'm gonna turn off this video right now, and thank you for watching. If you want to know more about myself, or particularly being smart with money, how I like do investment, or if you like this type of content, feel free to leave me any feedback or comment in the comment section, and also get to know more how to like be smart with investing, because I'm not smart either, but I can share you my tip on what type of stock I buy, why I buy it, and how can I buy it while I'm staying in Japan, while I don't speak the language overall. Alright, see you next time. Bye.